This doesn't tell the story of who I met today. No, it doesn't. She seems vulnerable. Like someone stuck in her own world.
You bitch. What were you trying to find out about me and who sent you? Who sent you? Damn you know what I'm talking about. When you want to my permission, call me Ogba. So you are HIV positive.
Go help me give this thing to your guy.
Are you sure you're in the right place?
Did you get the name of her or any form of information?
I didn't think it was serious, sir.
And what is that supposed to mean?
Well, she does not look serious, sir.
It seems not to be bothered about this whole thing.
No. Oga thinks she got herself killed. That she was involved with some powerful people.
Maybe that was the reason why they sent him a message.
I knew these people were going to get her into trouble. But I wasn't expecting it to be this tragic.
These people you're talking about, can you identify them or just anyone of them?
All I demand from you is a token of gratitude. You know what I mean?
I think I follow my clients too. You won't let me go around.
See, now that word clients, now you always pay me. You just they call them your client. Not be me bring the deal. Not be me bring the deal.
Just go, wait, shut up for there. They craze. Because I called you do gentle. Okay, which do you bring? No, only card you bring. Now me get the idea.
Wait. See, Abba, I won't come take get your number now if no be him give me.
Come. I hope say no big game. You dey play with me. If you try any rubbish, you go send the video for YouTube. I'm not a joke.
Video? Abeg, what video?